one-pot meals for your weight loss journey. Janet is here to give details. Go ahead, Janet.
I am Janet of the Obesity Prevention Center. Simplify and savor. 8 one-pot meal prep recipes for efficient weight loss. Streamlining weight loss with one-pot meal prep. Losing weight is tough, especially with our busy modern lifestyles. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, finding time to cook healthy meals often falls by the wayside. The thought of slaving away in the kitchen to prep elaborate recipes can feel daunting and demotivating. However, it doesn't have to be so complicated. Simplified cooking methods like one-pot meals can truly be a game changer for weight loss success. One-pot meals are exactly what they sound like. Tasty recipes prepared start to finish in just one pot, pan, or skillet. By combining all ingredients together in one vessel, you save time on prep work and cleanup while still enjoying nutritious, delicious food. These satisfying meals are perfectly portioned, maximize flavors, and make weeknight dinner a breeze. When you can whip up a hearty stew or perfectly seared protein in one easy step, healthy eating and weight loss feel totally doable even on your busiest days. 1. Mastering the basics. Why one-pot meals work. First things first, why are one-pot meals so effective for weight loss compared to traditional multi-step recipes? It comes down to a few key advantages that make one-pot cooking ideal for losing weight efficiently. Portion control. When you combine all ingredients into one vessel, it's easy to control how much food goes into each meal. No need to worry about accidentally overportioning across multiple side dishes or over-snacking during lengthy prep. One-pot meals take the guesswork out. Maximize flavors. As ingredients mingle together during simmering or baking, their flavors blend beautifully. Foods essentially cook in their own sauce, resulting in well-balanced, dynamic tastes without needing extra butter or oils that pile on calories. Simplified cleanup. With only one pot to wash after dinner, cleanup is a total breeze. That means more free time in your evening for family, hobbies, exercise, and other priorities. Reduced stress. Spending less time chained to the stove and sink means more time to relax and focus on your goals. Simplified cooking equals simplified life. Nutrient density. By including lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables in one well-rounded meal, you get a nutrient powerhouse in one pot. Satiety. The combo of fiber, protein, and healthy fats keeps you feeling fuller longer compared to meals heavy in refined carbs. Meal prep ease. Make a batch, portion it out, and a home-cooked meal is ready to go when you're crunched for time. Budget-friendly. Ingredients like beans, lentils, eggs, and frozen produce keep costs low. Endless variety. From hearty stews to fresh bowls to perfectly seared proteins, the variety of one-pot meals ensures you'll never get bored. 2. Nutrient-packed comfort. Hearty one-pot soups and stews. When the chilly weather sets in, few things provide more comfort than a steamy, hearty soup or stew simmering on stovetop. The incredible news? These dishes also happen to be fantastic for weight loss. Packed with vegetables, lean protein, and belly-filling whole grains, soups and stews provide lasting energy on fewer calories. The secret is sticking to broth-based recipes loaded with produce versus heavy, cream-based chowders. Give some of these slimming soup and stew recipes a try. Loaded veggie chili. Beans, tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, and spices simmer together into a flavorful vegetarian chili full of fiber. Turkey sausage and kale soup. This savory soup is chock full of kale, carrots, onions, and protein-rich turkey sausage. Beef barley stew. Tender beef and barley bulk up this stew alongside carrots, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Spicy chickpea and lentil soup. Warm up with protein-packed legumes, veggies, and a kick of spice. Chicken tortilla soup. Get a taste of Mexico with this flavorful chicken and veggie soup topped with baked tortilla strips. Italian minestrone. A medley of beans, pasta, spinach, and veggies in a tomato broth. Vegetable and chickpea curry. Let simmered sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and rich curry spices warm you up. The beauty of soups and stews is their versatility. Make a batch on Sunday to portion out for easy warming throughout the work week. They also freeze wonderfully for grab-and-go meals down the road. Warm up with a wholesome bowl of soup and streamline your slim down. 3. Vibrant and wholesome. One-pot veggie-packed quinoa bowls. If you like your meals on the lighter side, try assembling a hearty quinoa bowl overflowing with fresh vegetables. Quinoa offers a big dose of plant-based protein while providing necessary nutrients like iron, magnesium, and fiber. Creating a bowl is as easy as cooking quinoa per instructions, then loading your serving with a rainbow of fresh produce like sweet potato, broccoli, bell peppers, leafy greens, etc. The variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the veggies will leave you feeling energized and healthy. Some tasty flavor combos include Thai peanut quinoa bowl, quinoa, ginger, lime, edamame, bell pepper, carrots, cilantro. Mediterranean quinoa bowl, quinoa, chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, feta cheese, red onion, lemon vinaigrette. Tex-Mex quinoa bowl, quinoa, black beans, corn, avocado, salsa, cilantro, lime. Curried quinoa bowl, quinoa, sweet potato, cauliflower, raisins, curry powder, spinach. Harvest quinoa bowl, quinoa, roasted butternut squash, kale, dried cranberries, walnuts, goat cheese. Greek quinoa bowl, quinoa, tomatoes, olives, roasted eggplant, red onion, hummus, tzatziki sauce. California quinoa bowl, quinoa, avocado, shredded chicken, snap peas, sunflower seeds, goat cheese. The possibilities are endless. Assembly takes just minutes but offers a major dose of nutrition to power your day. 4. Lean protein power. One pot chicken and fish creations. Chicken, fish, and other lean proteins are staples for many weight loss plans due to their high protein to calorie ratio. Enjoying these foods in moderation provides plenty of satisfying protein without overdoing calories or fat. Luckily, lean proteins are perfect for one-pot meals. There are many simple methods for cooking chicken breasts, fish fillets, shrimp, and more in just one vessel. Pan-seared, cook in a non-stick skillet spritzed with oil or non-stick spray. Poached, gently simmer in low-sodium broth, tomato sauce, wine, or water. Baked, arrange in a casserole dish and bake in the oven. Seasonings and aromatics transform basic proteins into something special. Try recipes like cilantro lime chicken skillet, chicken breasts cooked with veggies, lime, and cilantro. Baked salmon with roasted tomatoes and potatoes. Flaky salmon baked atop cherry tomatoes and potato wedges. Sausage and pepper sheet pan dinner, chicken sausage, bell peppers, and onion roasted together. French onion chicken skillet. Chicken smothered in caramelized onions and Swiss cheese. Shrimp boil foil packs. Shrimp baked with corn, potatoes, andouille sausage, and Old Bay seasoning. Tilapia piccata. Tilapia fillets poached in a lemon caper sauce. Chicken fajitas. Chicken and veggies stuffed into tortillas after sizzling together in a skillet. With minimal effort, you can enjoy well-balanced meals focused on flavorful lean proteins that support your weight loss. 5. Savory plant-based proteins for meatless meals. You don't have to be vegetarian to work more meatless meals into your routine. Beans, legumes, tofu, tempeh, and other plant proteins make excellent anchors for vegetarian one-pot meals. They provide a hearty base of protein and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. Try out recipes like Thai red curry with tofu, spicy coconut curry stew packed with tofu, peppers, and fresh basil. Black bean enchilada skillet. Flavor-packed skillet with black beans, veggies, and enchilada sauce served over rice. Lentil bolognese. Hearty marinara sauce features protein-rich lentils instead of beef. Eggplant and chickpea masala, Indian spice stew with chickpeas and cubed eggplant as the stars. Vegetable chili mac. Veggie chili served over whole grain pasta for a comforting plant-based meal. Quinoa and bean lettuce wraps. Quinoa, black beans, and seasoned veggies wrapped in crunchy lettuce. Veg-heavy dishes like these make it easy to load up on nutrition and make progress toward weight loss goals. 6. Clever one-pot pastas for slimming noodle nights. Pasta often gets a bad rap on many diets, but not all noodles are off limits when trying to lose weight. Certain types like bean or veggie noodles offer a slimmer alternative to their refined, starchy cousins. Even traditional wheat pastas can be enjoyed in moderation as part of a healthy diet. The trick is sticking to reasonable portions and pairing pasta with plenty of vegetables and lean protein. This transforms it from an empty carb into a well-rounded meal. One-pot pasta recipes make this balancing act easy. Try recipes like chicken parmesan pasta. Chicken breast cooks right in the sauce along with broccoli and whole wheat pasta. Shrimp and asparagus zoodle bowl. Fresh zucchini noodles take the place of heavy carbs. Chicken sausage and a regular rigatoni. Fiber-rich whole grain pasta bulked up with lean chicken sausage and greens. Creamy tomato and spinach skillet. This vegetarian skillet comes together easily in one pan. Focus on quality ingredients, smart portions, and you can absolutely enjoy slimming pasta dishes. 7. Savory breakfasts for a fast start to your day. You've likely heard that breakfast is the most important meal for losing weight. Eating food in the morning revs up your metabolism, curbs mid-morning cravings, and provides energy to be active. But not just any breakfast will do the trick. To lose weight, aim for a balance of protein, fiber, and whole grains to start the day off right. Whipping up a balanced breakfast doesn't have to be complicated, though. These savory one-pot breakfasts come together quickly. Veggie egg white frittata, fluffy egg whites baked up with vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and onions. Breakfast quinoa. For a heartier start, cooked quinoa goes into this antioxidant-rich bowl along with berries, nuts, and milk. Sausage, kale, and potato hash. Potatoes, sausage, and greens cook right in the skillet for this satisfying option. Breakfast enchiladas. Make ahead enchiladas with turkey sausage, beans, zucchini, and salsa for microwavable mornings. Breakfast power bowl, brown rice, black beans, and salsa topped with a fried egg. With minimal effort, you can start your day with a meal that powers you up for success instead of leaves you hungry. Simplify, savor, and shed pounds with one-pot meal prep. One-pot cooking is truly a game changer when it comes to healthy, efficient weight loss. These streamlined recipes help control portions, maximize nutrition, and minimize time spent cooking and cleaning. Whether you love hearty stews, fresh grain bowls, or perfectly seared proteins, there's an amazing one-pot meal to suit your tastes. To make things even easier, spend a couple hours on the weekend prepping meals for the week ahead. Store pre-portioned meals in the fridge or freezer for quick reheating on busy nights. You'll feel so accomplished having home-cooked dinners ready to go whenever hunger strikes. The bottom line is that healthy eating for weight loss doesn't need to be complicated. Follow the inspiring one-pot recipes here to discover new favorite meals. Simplify your kitchen routine, savor the flavors, and shed pounds with satisfying simplicity. You got this.
That was great. Thank you for being with me and Janet today. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.